Hello everyone, welcome back. We got another video I'm going to do today, and behind me you can see a white GR Corolla. And so this is Ryan's, who's walking behind me.
What's up, you guys? How's it going?
So we are going to be installing a splitter lip on his today. So he's got a, what was the brand?
Aeroflow Dynamics.
Aeroflow Dynamics. So it's an inexpensive front lip, and for a piece that's going to get chewed up and destroyed from time to time, and you'll have to replace it. It's not bad because it's not super expensive. So we'll go through the process of installing this. Should be a pretty easy install, and we'll get going. So as you can see, you got the car up on the race ramps just to give us enough room for clearance. And then this is what it looks like. So here's the centerpiece right here. And then there's two pieces that wrap around. So these right here just bolt from underneath right into there. Here's the other piece here. So we're going to go ahead and bolt this up so we have one piece, and we'll clean underneath it. We are going to put some tape to help it secure it, and throw some screws into it. There's just self-tappers that go through these holes right here and into the underside of the bumper, and we'll be good in no time. We'll have Ryan looking sharp. So this lip right here is in three pieces. So we used the provided screws and screwed these together before we attached it. And I'll show you under here. So there you can see the screws that they provide. And then there are holes here that it's already pre-drilled so that you can attach it with the provided bolts. So, but it does require removing the front splash shield. So Ryan's taking those bolts out now, so we can slip that off. And we made it a lot easier too, because it doesn't give it to you and doesn't call for it, but we used a small piece of 3M double-sided tape between each set of holes underneath here, and that enabled, it was kind of like a third hand, you know, that helped you kind of hold it in place right now until we get it bolted in nice and snug. So, but you can already see what it'll look like. So now it's just securing it tightly. Okay, so, and this won't be long at all. This is the here's all the bolts they give you, nylon lock nuts with washers. So, and then this is they gave some extras, but this is the little tiny screw that holds the pieces together. So, but it's a very nice little piece that just makes such a difference. Ties in with the gloss foil and the gloss vents and the bumper. Very nice. So Ryan has removed all the screws from it. He's working on the final little clip.
Broken.
And you know there's a middle piece that pops loose, and then
Trying to break it.
So
Through.
did it really? So here we've got the nuts and bolts on, as you can see, going down there. So we've done the passenger side basically, and now we're going to continue on to the driver's side over there. That one is the farthest one we've got, just left of center. So all of the bolts and screws are on. Now they call for bolts for everything.
Yeah.
But we did adjust a little bit here, like we used a self-tapper back here. And then we did the same thing on the other side, because a couple of them are really hard to get your hand and fingers up for the nut on the underside here, because this area right here is tight underneath there. So, but it's on, and there is the final look of it. And so looks good. It adds so much to the front of the car. And here's the finished product. Much improved. You know, just adding the black gloss lip and isolating the white, you know, that goes around the grill is, and then with the black gloss vents on the side and the front.
That looks sharp.
Yep, looks very, very sharp. I like it. So, well, let me know what you guys think. So, looks good. So, appreciate that. Appreciate it if you like and subscribe and do all the good things that, you know, everybody wants you to do. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.